If you want to create a YouTube draft video by using your iPhone, first open the YouTube app and make sure you update your YouTube app to latest version. Then just click this plus icon and switch this to Shorts. In default it will be selected to 15 seconds. Just tap that. Now you can record the 3-minute video. If you want to record this horizontal, just flip the iPhone to horizontal position and record the video. For me it's vertical, so just tap this record option. Here you can see it starts recording. So you can record up to 3 minutes. After you feel okay, just tap the record option, then click this X mark, and now you can see this option, save as draft. Click that and that's it. Draft was saved. After this you can minimize or refresh the page, or you can also turn off your iPhone, anything. Again, if you want to see the draft video in any day, just open YouTube and just sign into that YouTube account, then click plus, and here you can see the draft, and here is your draft video, saved draft video. If you want to delete, click these 3 dots and delete. If you want to publish, open the draft and click next and just publish the video. That's it. This is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about YouTube, watch this video.